Oh, god dang, I see it now.
Oh,
40,
shit. 38 seconds.
Wait, you recording now?
Yeah, I'm gonna call after.
Oh, that.
No. There it goes. You good? There it goes.
It's going down. It's going down. 2013.
Oh, shit.
Oh, look at that shit.
Yeah, baby. It's going down. Yeah, I'm at work, man. 19th floor. It's going down. Fucking DJ around this bitch. Yeah.
Whoa, man, look at that parking lot, dude. It's
Damn,
empty.
she caught me at the wrong damn time. Shit. Yeah. Yeah. Happy New Year's. Damn. Don't call me. Yeah.
Yeah, but that's pretty cool. Look at that.
Yeah. I don't be out of paper,
Oh, man. Wow, man, it's pretty cool.
Man, that's awesome.
2013, man. Gotta be a better year for me.
Yeah.
More money.
I just want to live.
You're gonna live, that's it.
Shit, I want to bit the dust this year, man. Back last January.
Look at that, y'all.
Shit. Ooh, man, take a
Got
long
the
time.
best view it is, man.
Hell yeah.
American Airlines Center.
Man.
Well, I'm getting a lot of pictures. Damn, that's good.
Wow. Whoa. Whoa. Shit is nice. Damn. That's way up there, dude.
What's yourself coming from?
Oh.
It's the best seat in the house right here, man. That's it.
That it?
That's it.
What? Only 2 minutes?
It lasted a pretty good while, dude.
Yeah.
It ain't the 4th of July.
True. Hey.
Wow.
Whoa, whoa. Grand finale?
Woo, yeah.
Hell yeah. Gonna say. It's pretty nice.
I see you had counted, but I'm recording stuff on my phone. They had a firework show.
Man. Shit's tight.
Yeah, of course. I'm gonna post all the footage in a minute on Facebook. It's
Dang.
nice. Woo.
Are you recording it?
Yeah.
How come you not recording it? Is he recording you? Oh, you
Yeah.
recording too?
Mm-hmm.
I got mine against the window. I can see it.
I'm here with my co-workers, man. My boy Kyle, man. Get over there.
So, dude. Man.
Hold
I
on.
spent New Year's last year at work too, god dang. Shit. Hey! Ernie! Hey! The bonus ball is one. The bonus ball is one.
You got a whole bunch of
One. You got one? Okay.
You got a whole bunch of Ernie.
Happy New Year. We're broke again. All right, I'll holler at you later, man.
Happy New Year, we're broke again.
We hit the lottery, we're broke again. Got broke 6 months ago.
Oh, man, dude, wow.
Oh, well.
I'm a dog boy. Damn. I knew your resolution right there.
Man.
Like them kind of this footage.
Stuff is Nice.
Happy New Year, babe.
We're broke again.
Yeah, huh? Oh yeah, man. Listen, we got the best seat in the house.
It's still going down, man. You know, man, it's like at least about 5 minutes of footage.
What's this?
You know what I'm saying? The footage still going and going.
Hi.
Dang, they're way up there, dude.
I might be at work, but this is the best thing ever, work.
Yeah, buddy.
Hell yeah. Godly, can you send what you got to my girlfriend's phone from your phone?
It's a big file.
Huh?
It's a big
No, not all of it. Just to send can you send a picture?
Yeah. Okay.
All right, when you get that shit here. Oh man, those are nice right there, man. Because I can't do it on this Mickey Mouse phone. My son told me. I showed him the phone. He said, Dad, you really got that in a Cracker Jack box. Hello.
Oh. Whoa.
Man. Hey. She hung up on me. Chris. No, I didn't. She did.
Yeah.
Happy New Year, baby. I miss you.
Oh,
It's a reflection, yeah. Baby, we're missing wood behind you.
Over there.
Okay, I am, okay? Talk to your grandma.
Damn, dude.
I'm going to send you a couple of pictures because I don't know how to send it from this piece of shit phone I got. I'm going to send, Cosby's going to send it to you from his phone. To your phone, okay?
Hey, man. 7.
It's over with. There you go. It's it. It's over with, guys.
Woo.
I'll call you.
Footage.
Cha-ching.
When I get home.
Got the footage.
Look at all them cars.
Go down there.
Look at all them little people.
God damn, that was awesome, man.
Yay.